Now let's start discussing questions related to grammar portion. So first question is, rewrite the following sentences after adding the given adverb in an appropriate place. हमें brackets में कुछ adverbs दिए गए हैं, हमें उनको appropriate places पे adjust करना है. So first one is, I have understood her, and adverb है हमारे पास never. So एक clue तो ये है कि adverb हमेशा verb से पहले आते हैं, mostly verb से पहले आते हैं. So I have never understood her. Second is, my friend forgot my birthday, and we have adverb completely. My friend यहाँ पे आ जाएगा verb से पहले, completely forgot my birthday. Third is, he got dressed quickly. और got जो है हमारे पास verb है, तो यहाँ पे quickly आ जाएगा. अब ये exception है fourth one में कि he got dressed और in a hurry हमारे पास जो है adverb है. In a hurry हम in पर ही लगाएंगे. तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा he got dressed in a hurry. Fifth one is, she realized her mistake at once. इसमें दोनों तरीके से possible है. अगर आप at once यहाँ पे लगाते हो तब भी ठीक है, या realize से पहले लगाते हो तब भी ठीक है. She at once realized her mistake. Sixth one is, we are invited to parties at the weekends, and we have adverb often. So we are often invited to parties. Seventh one is, she has done everything. She has been a soldier, and we have even. She has even been a soldier. Eighth one is, I have finished painting the house. I have almost finished painting the house. Ninth is, could you switch the lights? Could you switch off the lights? 10th is, we go to our native place in summer. We usually go to our native place in summer. 11th one is, your sewing machine needs some oil, and we have adverb just. Your sewing machine just needs some oil. 12th one is, it will rain this evening, and we have adverb probably. So it will probably rain this evening. So with this, we have come towards the end of our today's video lecture. I hope जो भी आज हमने पढ़ा वो आपको clarity के साथ समझ आया होगा. Inshallah, we'll be talking about some new topic in our next video. Till then, take care. This is me, Maha, your English instructor, signing out.